The iconic wagon wheel, I just love them. And it was one of my treats that I would have on a Friday at school. I'm gonna try and replicate it for you, but a much healthier version. This is all the rage and it is such a delicious alternative. So instead of biscuits, we're going to be using healthy brown rice cakes, and you can make big giant wagon wheels like this, but I'm going to make them small. I just find them easier to make. So we're just gonna cut that down, just using a cookie cutter. This cookie cutter is 8 centimeters. You can go even further and make smaller ones if you like, but that for me is the perfect shape. Got another one here, and just press down on it. Okay, just be really gentle when you take it out so they don't break. And we've got our 6 ready to go here. For the marshmallow component, instead of marshmallows, I'm adding some coconut yogurt and some desiccated coconut and a little bit of maple syrup. So these are dairy-free too. Also gluten-free because we're using the brown rice crackers. Give that a good mix. And now we can start assembling. So we'll grab our first brown rice cracker, dip it in the chocolate, just one side, take the excess off, straight onto the tray, and just press it down. Now I'm going to add our coconut yogurt on top, spread that all the way to the sides. And for the jam component, well, this is where fresh berries come into play. You could crush some strawberries if you like, but I just think raspberries are the perfect addition to this. So I'm gonna break up these gorgeous berries and pop them in the center. Look at the color. Fantastic. These are going to be so incredible because it's going to freeze. So you bite into it and you've got these lovely, plump, juicy berries in the center. Now, it's going to get slightly messy, but we're going to grab some more chocolate and drizzle that over the top. Ideally, you want to coat absolutely everything so it resembles a wagon wheel. I'm going to make a few more of these and then we're going to pop them in the freezer until they're completely frozen. All right, my healthy wagon wheels have come out of the freezer and I'm just going to sprinkle over some salt, just the tiniest bit to bring out the flavour of the chocolate and the raspberries. And let's cut into one of these so you can see inside. Oh, how good does that look? Those raspberries are sitting up nicely. You can see a layer of the coconut and that brown rice crisp. I'm gonna have a little taste of these. It's such a great idea. If you love your raspberries and you love experimenting with healthy snacks, then this is the one to do. It really reminds me of that iconic wagon wheel, just a little bit healthier.